And special thanks to our friends over at SUPCASE who were nice enough to send us this Unicorn Beetle Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra case. Inside of this box is, look at that red, beautiful. Nothing else in the box. So we have the case itself. Now this one does not have an included screen protector or anything like that. You would have to get one of those separately. But put your phone in, just take your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and you essentially can just slide it right into place. Love the feel of this. Love the front being all black myself. I really like that. At the bottom you have room for your S Pen, your speaker grill, your USB-C ports, as well as a little lanyard strip for like a necklace or a wrist strap. There's a little SUPCASE logo here next to the power button and your volume rockers. I actually like the look of those. It's very like futuristic looking in my opinion. And other than that, you have some nice thick edges here. So when you drop your phone on its corners, it should have some extra protection. And of course, the back has a MagSafe ring with the UB for Unicorn Beetle case and a nice flap to protect your cameras. And even the inside here feels like velour, very soft to cover your camera modules. And you can also double this camera protector as a kickstand. So while you're out at lunch, you could sit there and enjoy you a video. And then when you're done, just close it up, bada bing, and you're on your way. Personally, I love this black and red look. I honestly think this is probably my favorite case that I've gotten for SUPCASE for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. This one is for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Thanks again to our friends over at SUPCASE who were nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.